Refrigeration HVAC exam practice questions set number 5. Number 1. How many conductors does a 208/120 volt AC 3-phase motor has? A2, B3, C4, D5. Correct answer is D5. Number 2. The compressor overload protector is used to turn off the compressor when it overheats. Which of the following causes compressor overheating? A. Dirty outdoor coil. B. Dirty air filter causing poor airflow. C. Defective start or run capacitor. D. Supply voltage inadequate or excessive. Or E. All of the above. Correct answer is E. All of the above. Number 3. The compressor is still hot. Wait for it to cool down before checking the continuity of the windings. A. True or B. False? Correct answer is A. True. Number 4. An HVAC technician uses a multimeter to measure the resistance of a compressor. Which of the following has the lowest reading? A. Start to run. B. Common to start. Or C. Common to run? Correct answer is C. Common to run. Number 5. If the resistance of a compressor run from common to run is 5 ohms and from common to start is 10 ohms, how much is the reading from start to run? A. 5 ohms. B. 10 ohms. C. 15 ohms. D. 20 ohms. Or E. 25 ohms? Correct answer is C. 15 ohms. So explanation. Common to run CR is the lowest reading. Start to run SR is the highest reading. Common to start CS is higher than CR but lower than SR. So to solve the problem above, SR is equal to CR plus CS. So the start to run reading is the sum of the common to run and the common to start. So SR is equal to CR plus CS. And from that equation, we can also say CR is equal to SR minus CS, or CS is equal to SR minus CR, depending on what is given and what is unknown in the problem. So example calculation, let's say that CR is equal to 5 ohms, that's common to run. CS, common to start, is 10 ohms. How much is SR, start to run? So using the formula, SR is equal to CR plus CS. We just add CR and CS. 5 plus 10 ohms, we get SR is equal to 15 ohms. So that's why we get 15 ohms as the answer on problem number 5. Okie dokie. So going to number 6. The slope on a horizontal drain pipe 3 to 6 inches in diameter is A 1/2 inch per foot, B 1/4 inch per foot, C 1/8 inch per foot, or D 1/16 inch per foot? Correct answer is C 1/8 inch per foot. For smaller sizes, the slope on horizontal drain pipe 2.5 inches diameter or smaller is 1/2 inch per foot, D 1/4 inch per foot, C 1/8 inch per foot, or D 1/16 inch per foot. Correct answer is B 1/4 inch per foot. Number 8. The two pressures on oil failure control switch are total oil pressure and crankcase pressure. A true, B false. Correct answer is A true. Note that total oil pressure is also called discharge pressure or pump pressure, and crankcase pressure is also called suction pressure. Number 9. In heating mode, the heat pump does not go into defrost cycle. A true or B false? Correct answer is B false. In heating mode, the heat pump still goes into defrost. Number 10, last question. Bless you. Sorry about that. That's my son came from school. Number 10, a heat pump blank turns on the interior electric heating element and stops the fan at the outdoor coil. A reversing relay, B outdoor coil relay, C defrost relay, or D none of the above. Correct answer is C defrost relay. Okay, cheers and have a good one. See you in the next video.